Living in New Orleans means enjoying rich culture, historic neighborhoods, and warm Gulf breezes, but it also means dealing with relentless humidity, heavy rain, and moisture that can creep into your home. Over time, excess moisture can lead to mold growth, warped materials, and costly repairs. That's why many homeowners across New Orleans are turning to vinyl windows as a smart, long-term solution for moisture and mold protection. Built to handle New Orleans' humid climate, unlike traditional wood windows, vinyl windows are non-porous, meaning they don't absorb water. In a city where humidity levels stay high year-round, this makes a huge difference. Wood frames can swell, rot, and crack when exposed to moisture, creating gaps that allow humid air and water to seep inside. Vinyl frames, on the other hand, maintain their shape even during intense heat and heavy rainfall. This stability helps keep your home sealed tight, reducing the chances of moisture sneaking into your walls, windowsills, and insulation, areas where mold loves to grow. Superior seals that keep moisture out. Vinyl windows are designed with advanced weather stripping and tight seals that block out rain and humid air. During New Orleans' frequent storms, wind-driven rain can easily find its way through poorly sealed windows. Vinyl windows help prevent this by creating a strong barrier between your home and the outdoors. These tight seals also reduce condensation buildup on the inside of your windows. Less condensation means less moisture collecting on surfaces, which lowers the risk of mold forming around window frames and nearby drywall. Mold resistance. You can rely on. Mold thrives in damp environments, especially on organic materials like wood. Vinyl, however, doesn't provide mold with a food source. Even when exposed to moisture, vinyl frames resist mold and mildew growth, making them an excellent choice for homes in flood-prone or high-humidity areas. For families concerned about indoor air quality, this added mold resistance can make a noticeable difference. Cleaner window frames contribute to healthier indoor air and reduce the risk of allergy-related issues caused by mold spores. Energy efficiency helps control indoor humidity. Vinyl windows often come with double or triple panes and insulated frames, which help regulate indoor temperatures. When your home maintains a consistent temperature, your air conditioning system works more efficiently to remove excess humidity from the air. In New Orleans, where air conditioning runs most of the year, this matters. Better insulation means fewer hot spots near windows where condensation can form. As a result, your home stays drier, more comfortable, and less inviting to mold. Low maintenance, long-term protection. One of the biggest benefits of vinyl windows is how easy they are to maintain. Unlike wood, vinyl doesn't need repainting, sealing, or refinishing to protect it from moisture. A simple cleaning keeps vinyl windows looking great and functioning properly for years. This low-maintenance design gives homeowners peace of mind, knowing their windows won't slowly deteriorate due to moisture exposure, a common issue in older New Orleans homes. A smart investment for New Orleans homeowners. Vinyl windows offer more than just curb appeal. They provide real protection against moisture, mold, and humidity, helping preserve the structure of your home while improving comfort and air quality. Whether you live in a historic neighborhood or a newer development, vinyl windows are a practical upgrade designed for the unique challenges of New Orleans living. By choosing vinyl windows, you're investing in long-lasting protection that keeps your home dry, healthy, and ready to weather whatever the Louisiana climate brings.